Hi, boys and girls. My name is Miss Christy, and I'm going to read Giraffes Can't Dance. Giraffes Can't Dance was written and illustrated by Gilles Andre and Guy Parker Reese. That means they wrote the words and drew the pictures. Let's see what happens. Giraffes can't dance. Gerald was a tall giraffe whose neck was long and slim, but his knees were awfully crooked and his legs were rather thin. He was very good at standing still and munching shoots off trees, but when he tried to run around, he buckled at the knees. Every year in Africa, they hold a jungle dance where every animal turns up to skip and prance. Well, this year when the day arrived, poor Gerald felt quite sad because when it came to dancing, he was really very bad. The warthogs started waltzing and the rhinos rock and rolled. The lions danced a tango that was elegant and bold. The chimps all did a cha-cha with a very Latin feel, and all 8 baboons then teamed up for a splendid Scottish reel. Gerald swallowed bravely as he walked toward the floor, but the lions saw him coming, and they soon began to roar. "Hey, look at clumsy Gerald!" all the animals sneered. "Giraffes can't dance, you silly fool!" "Oh, Gerald, you're really quite weird." Well, Gerald simply froze. He was rooted to the spot. They're right, he thought. I'm useless. Oh, I feel like such a clot. So off he crept from the dance floor, and he started walking home. He never felt so sad before, so sad and so alone. Well, then he found a clearing, and he looked up at the sky. "Oh, the moon can be so beautiful," he whispered with a sigh. "Excuse me," coughed a cricket, who's seen Gerald early on, "but sometimes when you're different, you just need a different song. Listen to the swaying of the grass and listen to the trees. To me, the sweetest music is those branches in the breeze. So imagine the lovely moon is playing just for you. Everything makes music if you really want it to." With that, the cricket smiled and he picked up his violin. Then Gerald felt his body do the most amazing thing. His hooves started shuffling, making circles in the ground, and his neck was gently swaying, and his tail started swishing around. He threw his arms out sideways and he swung them everywhere, and then he did a backward somersault and he leapt into the air. Gerald felt so wonderful. His mouth was open wide. "I'm dancing, yes, I'm dancing, Gerald cried. Then, one by one, each animal who'd been on the dance floor arrived while Gerald boogied on, and they watched him a little more. They shouted, "It's a miracle! We must be in a dream. Gerald is the best dancer that we have ever seen." "How did you learn to dance like that? Please, Gerald, tell us how." But Gerald simply twirled around, then finished with a bow. Then he raised his head and looked up at the moon and stars above. "We can all dance," he said. "We just have to find the music that we love." The end. I hope you all can find music that you love and dance your heart out. Have a great day. Bye, guys.